Join me as I challenge myself to capture the most mind-blowing footage using the Insta360 X5 and push the limits of this incredible camera. The Insta360 X5 is here to revolutionize the way we capture 360-degree content. This tiny camera is packed with features that make it a game-changer for content creators. Capturing immersive videos can be a real challenge. One of the biggest hurdles is getting smooth footage while moving around. Traditional cameras can be a hassle to work with, and sometimes you just can't get the shot you want. The Insta360 X5 aims to solve these issues with its advanced stabilization technology. This means you can walk, run, or even bike while recording, and your footage will still be smooth and stable. No more worrying about shaky footage ruining your video. Another challenge is dealing with stitching errors. We've all been there. You're recording a 360 video, and when you stitch the footage together, there are weird gaps or mismatched areas. The Insta360 X5 greatly reduces these errors, giving you a more seamless video. Lastly, traditional 360 cameras can be bulky and hard to carry around. The Insta360 X5 is small and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. This portability opens up new possibilities for content creators who want to capture immersive footage on the go. So, what makes the Insta360 X5 so special? For starters, the image quality is top-notch. With its high-resolution sensors, you can capture stunning 360-degree photos and videos that really pop. Plus, the stabilization I mentioned earlier is incredible. It really does make a huge difference in the quality of your footage. The Insta360 X5 is also super easy to use. The interface is intuitive, and you can easily switch between different modes and settings. This makes it perfect for creators who are new to 360-degree content or just want a hassle-free experience. One of the best things about the Insta360 X5 is its ability to capture both 360-degree and standard video. This gives you more flexibility when it comes to editing and sharing your content. You can easily export a standard video or a 360 video, depending on what you need. I've been playing around with the Insta360 X5, and one feature that really stands out is its flow state stabilization. I was able to capture some amazing footage while biking through a beautiful park. The smoothness and clarity of the video are incredible. The Insta360 X5 also has a cool feature called Insta, which lets you capture stunning 360-degree photos with just one click. I've used this feature to take some breathtaking panoramic shots that really showcase the camera's capabilities. Another standout moment was when I used the Insta360 X5 to capture a live demo of its capabilities. I was able to walk around, interact with the camera, and show off its features in a really engaging way. The footage was seamless and really impressed my audience. The ability to livestream in 360 degrees is another game changer. I've used this feature to connect with my viewers in a more immersive way, and the feedback has been amazing. In summary, the Insta360 X5 is a powerful tool that can take your content creation to the next level. Its advanced features, ease of use, and high-quality image and video capabilities make it a must-have for anyone interested in 360-degree content. If you're as excited about the Insta360 X5 as I am, let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. And if you want to learn more about the latest tech trends and gadgets, be sure to check out my other video on the newest smartwatch releases.